In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream videos from OneDrive. If you've ever stored videos on OneDrive and wondered how you could watch them without downloading the files to your device first, this is the guide for you. It's a simple, efficient process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to stream your favorite videos directly from OneDrive with ease. Let's start by accessing OneDrive. First, head over to your preferred web browser and type in onedrive.com. Log into your account with your credentials. If you don't have an account, creating one is a breeze and it's a great way to store files safely online. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the OneDrive homepage where you can see various sections like Recent, Photos, and Shared. But right now, our main focus is on the Files section. So go ahead and click on My Files. This section is like the hub of your OneDrive account, where all of your uploaded files and documents are stored. You should see a list of folders and files that you've previously saved to OneDrive. It's organized and easy to navigate, which makes it simple to locate the video you want to stream. If you've organized your files into folders, it might take a moment to find the correct location for your video file. However, if you're someone who loves structure, using the search bar at the top can help quickly locate your desired file by entering its name or keywords related to it. Once you've found the video you wish to stream within your My Files section, select that video. Simply clicking on the video file once should highlight it and display some options at the top of the page. From here, to begin streaming, all you need to do is double-click the video file. A video player should pop up, and this will allow you to start enjoying your video in just a few moments, directly from the cloud. Streaming from OneDrive is exceptionally useful as it saves storage space on your device and allows for easy access to your media from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. For a smooth streaming experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you experience buffering, it might be due to a weak signal, so consider moving closer to your router or turning off other devices using the same network.